Omwanchwa omorigererie chingaki aborokia aba junior secondary bagendete kurigia gose bagende gusegeta gwatanano kwabo gose kwenyola chinguru chiabo asegesongo bakoroga autonomy nigo egati aborokia bukuru ase county ya Kisii banyakoba bakogendera kurwa okoboria gocha ase wizara y'ekisemi yekora omuwaziri Julius Migosio gamba kwatananwa korwa ase ebirasi biri bimanyikate muna chisukuru cy'oboroso gose primary schools kolengana barabo nigo batararura magendera ndonzi ase asoma yo a junior secondary ase chisukuru bakorera obukoreri bwabo gose ase chisukuru bakorokereria munako tumanyia omurikito Difoni Asanya.
Autonomy viva! Viva! Autonomy viva! Viva!
Nekerero kiaborokia b'ekisukuru kya JSS me county ya Kisii asebono besokire na kwemurungania asabagotebanga nigo barorekanire bakunirwa nonye na soborai.
August power! Power! Autonomy viva! Viva! I'm JSS Samson, a teacher from Kisii County. Yeah! Let me give an assessment, a summative assessment of what is going on in our schools, junior schools. Number one, for the last 3 years, capitation has been received, but we have never seen any kind of progress. We have never seen lab equipment in our school. We have never seen Wi-Fi in our schools.
I'm Madam Zipora James, a JSS teacher in Kisii County. Speaking on behalf of youth teachers, we are asking for clear career guidelines on career progression. We are asking, as youth teachers in Kisii County, when are we going to grow? When people are being deployed to come and be our administrators, where is our space in junior school?
Gentege tanga ni twanyorera ase bogosomi kwa primary chiedi teacher chinyinge nigo chitachireta abana babakebu na into gosomi ekito tachiretense nyitaitito imokimo tugoro lakini kere twarigereiri egento bagotobuni capitation iri batete go control
unenjira ya moyo goikirania amasomo asekerengo gya CBC
na ndente bye kiombe geto kianat umurikio bo monene igoro na kwanita mangana agechetia abarimu ba junior kerato diminity ari asa matanga enge ntunto bwati segi na nat ndobwati segi na kupet.
We cannot be told to improvise balls to give students for them to nurture their own skills. Yes. In fact, what we want, capitation to be provided, and then the lab equipment be provided, and also the ball equipment.
Komenta na nigo bagenderete kolera welfare yabo anene asobokoreri.
So we want those teachers working in remote areas to be given enhanced allowance. Yes.
Gukonekere kyo nigo bano baruro kubolia guchese serikali gwatana na ekerengo gya JSS gwetenenera nabo igo gukirusia ase skuru y'oboroso bunenjera yemo yokobali bagalyo kobabaraye nabo igo gukinya ekerengo kya masomo.
Yego rujara double kinyanjwi ntada batebaiga ntuna balimu bakupe tukurwa ase county ya Kisii etu akiraiga ko support abalimu baito ba junior school batebanga mbatakeire gwetenenera ase ngenjo ne group ya Getengani ose school ya Getengani etere gwetenenera ase bintu byonse atota dia serikali nga support abalimu aba
abe serikali yeto ya Kenya etotagete junior school ebe independent ntubuna toreiga nabo tokonyara ko bano echi principal nabo tokonyara ko bachi deputy principal erinde torani school.
We don't have to have a lot of friction in place as it is at the moment, because we are fighting in this country and there is no need of us fighting, yet we are teachers. Our interest is the learner. The learner is the one that is suffering down there, yet we have a government in place, a government that is supposed to take the interest of the teacher at heart.
So for the child in the class of CBC to fall into a correct career pathway, autonomy must prevail. For us as junior school teachers to progress in our careers, autonomy must prevail. For junior school teachers to realize the professional growth, autonomy must prevail.
Solidarity forever.
Kuripoti kitaseni kia uwanchete kia Getembe Television County ya Kisii letera na nkoro kwa Difoni Asanya.